Hi there, welcome to WWF Malaysia. I'm Josil Mari and I'm here to show you what it's like to work in a globally recognized organization like ours. Well, it's a jungle in here in so many ways. Every day, so many interesting things happen behind the scene as we work together to conserve Malaysia's natural heritage. Come, let me show you. Since 1972, WWF Malaysia has carried out significant conservation work, from protecting endangered species such as tigers, elephants, rhinoceros, orang-utans and turtles, to protecting highland forests, rivers and seas. The heart and soul of our conservation work is found in our conservation department. It is what our organization is about and what drives our very existence. Much of our conservation work includes scientific field research, policy and advocacy activities, environmental education programs, public awareness campaigns, working with local communities, as well as training and supporting other conservation organizations in Malaysia. This is the fundraising and marketing department. This is where all the action takes place to fuel our work with the much needed funds. It explores different ways and means to generate income to support our conservation work, as well as to promote WWF to a wider audience. It is through this department that we're able to reach out to more people, to gain their support, to fight for our cause. Through this department, we are able to leverage on the strength of our global brand and reach out to more people and seek their support. From the common man on the street to CEOs of huge corporations, this department actively enjoins people to share their blessings and give to the environment. Unknown to many, WWF Malaysia runs just like any other private company. We pride ourselves in conducting our business in a professional and corporate manner. We have a support operations department that looks into the day-to-day running of our business. From our headquarters in Petaling Jaya in Peninsular Malaysia to our offices in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah and Kuching, Sarawak, this department ensures that we are able to conduct our conservation work systematically and efficiently by providing operational support across the entire organization in terms of human resources, finance, program administration. We also have people looking into facilities, information technology, audiovisual services, as well as knowledge management. Apart from that, we also have a communications team that looks into all communication aspects of our work. As you know, a huge bulk of conservation work involves communication. From talking to a simple fisherman about sustainable fishing methods, to mounting elaborate campaigns about the ill effects of deforestation, for example, our communications work play an important role in achieving our conservation goals. The strength of our work lies in one very important element: people. Just like the rainforest, WWF Malaysia is teeming with all sorts of species, big and small. Contrary to popular belief, you do not need to be a scientist to be part of WWF. We also have staff working with professional expertise in marketing, accounting, communications, human resources, information technology, law, and even photography. Let's get to know some of the people working at WWF Malaysia and learn more about what they do.
I'm River. I'm fundraiser for WWF Malaysia. Even though my position as a fundraiser, I always have the opportunity to experience different part what my colleagues are doing. For example, this time I managed to join the rhino expedition, which was absolutely fantastic, and have the experience to understand what my colleagues working in field to go through, and also the excitement tracking down footprints of large mammals. So there's never a dull moment working with WWF, and I'm ready for my next adventure as well. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shanki. I work for WWF since year 2001 as a field biologist on orangutans. We are just like messengers because animals never talk or we cannot understand their language. By studying orangutans, for example, monitoring their behavior, their habitat, their food plants, we will know the forest conditions of the area that we study. I like to work for WWF because they have very good network, international network, and we feel like not working alone, and they have very good working environment.
Hi, I'm Rahayu Zulkifli. I work with WWF Malaysia on the Green Turtle Conservation Project in Kerteh, Terengganu. I joined WWF in September 2003. I like working with WWF because I get immense job satisfaction in knowing that I am actually positively contributing towards conservation, and green turtle conservation in particular. Among the job perks of working in WWF, people pay to come here, but I get paid to work here.
Well, my name is Lassal. I'm a senior education officer with WWF. I'm working in WWF for the last 30 years. And the reason why I've stayed for 30 years is that what I've studied in the university is zoology is applied here. At the same time, most important is that the job satisfaction. From young, I was brought up in a farm, in a village, and I picked up to love nature through my parents, my grandparents, and until today, I'm passing down the message to the younger generation so that they will be future leaders to see environment through different eyes.
More than 130 staff working either here in the office or out in the field on a variety of projects across the country. You can just imagine the range of personalities that make up WWF Malaysia, each one bringing something different to the table, each one a unique blessing to the organization. Despite such diversity, one thing remains common among all staff, and that is the passion to save and protect our environment. Perhaps it is the underlying passion that inspires our staff to dedicate their life to the cause, or perhaps it is both the tangible and intangible rewards that motivate them to work with us for a long period of time. Whatever the reason, WWF Malaysia is an ideal place to discover the best that you can be.